How many dental implants can be placed next to each other? Is 4 too many?
So, how many dental implants can be placed next to each other? Is 4 too many? 4 is not too many at all. So, 4 is the minimum number of implants. Sometimes we need to replace the full set of teeth. Or I shouldn't say minimum, because sometimes we place 2 implants and then we still give them a complete set of dentures. So 4 is the minimum that you need if you need a complete set of teeth. However, can 4 be placed adjacent to each other? So depending on the condition of the jawbone, condition of the person, can you replace? And this is one of the common questions that I have. People ask me, "Hey doc, I have the money. Can I replace every single one of my teeth?" People have 28 teeth. So can I replace every single one of my teeth with dental implants? Can I have 14 implants on the top? Can I have 14 implants on the bottom? Yes, you can if you want to, but is it really necessary? You probably don't need that. So that is a question that you have. If you have 4 missing teeth, sometimes these 4 missing teeth can be replaced sometimes just with the 2 implants, or ideally you may need 3 implants to replace the 4 teeth. If it is sometime in the front, you can manage replacing 4 teeth with just the 2 implants. If it is in the back, you may want to think about replacing them with the 3 implants. It really depends on the condition. Sometimes you got like a 6 foot tall person. Can you replace 4 teeth with 2 implants? Possible, but he may be at a higher risk of losing the implants because of the the pressure and they are putting in and the biting force they are putting in. Can you treat a petite woman with replacing 4 teeth with 2 implants? You can possibly do that. So it depends on the condition. However, to answer this person's question, can implants be placed 4 implants adjacent to each other? Yes, they can be, and also 4 implants is not too many. And we have patients, who have as many as about 28 implants, and so we have. We kind of sometimes joke with our patient. This patient has implant syndrome. As they got mouthful of implants. So yeah, it's not too many. Yeah.
All right. Bottom line though, if you need some implants, come here. We'll give you as many as you want.
Yes, sir.
All right.